In the closing weeks of 1972, Operation Linebacker II sent waves of B-52D stratofortresses against heavily defended targets across North Vietnam. Tail number 55-0083, known as Diamond Lil, flew from Andersen Air Force Base on Guam and later from U-Tapao Royal Thai Navy Airfield. On Christmas Eve, Airman First Class Albert Moore manned the aircraft's tail guns. When a North Vietnamese MiG-21 closed from behind, Moore tracked the fighter with his .450 caliber machine guns and scored the only confirmed aerial victory by any B-52 during the war. The aircraft completed more than 200 combat sorties before retirement, the sole surviving stratofortress with an aerial kill to its credit. In honor of Diamond Lil and the crews who flew her, this ceramic mug bears the distinctive black belly and Southeast Asia camouflage of her 1972 configuration, offering a daily tribute to that historic Christmas Eve mission.